Hello everyone, welcome to the Drunken Sailor Cocktail channel. I am Bill, your Drunken Sailor. This is the place where we show you how to make simple, delicious, and good-looking cocktails. Today's cocktail is one that just screams of springtime. It's got beautiful color, it's got a wonderful taste, and I think you'll really enjoy this one. If you got a home bar just like me, come on back here. Join me as we make today's cocktail, the Heavenly Hibiscus Martini. Let's get pouring. As you can see, all our ingredients have magically appeared, and there's only 4 ingredients going into this cocktail. It's a vodka-based martini. We're going to use a Cointreau, an orange-flavored liqueur to go in it. We've got some freshly squeezed lime juice, and what's going to give us this color and its unique taste is our hibiscus syrup. Our first ingredient is lime juice, and we're going to use about 3/4 of an ounce. And this is freshly squeezed because fresh is the best. That's going in our shaker. Next ingredient in there is our hibiscus syrup. We're going to use 1/2 ounce. Now it's made just like a normal simple syrup, but we've taken some hibiscus tea and we've infused that into the syrup. We're going to use in there 1/2 ounce. Beautiful color to it. And following that up, we're going to use Cointreau, and this is a orange flavored liqueur. We're going to use 1/2 ounce. To finish this off, it is a martini. We're using vodka, and we're going to use Absolute. That's going to have 2 ounces in there. Boy, this is a slow pour today. Now all we need to do is follow that up by icing up the cocktail. So let's put some large ice cubes in there. Put the top on that, and we're going to give this a good shake. About 10 to 15 seconds to chill it down. It's got a beautiful springtime pink color to it. And I think it's something you're really going to enjoy. We've got it nice and cold now. We've got a beautiful color to it. We've had a glass that's been in the freezer frosting up on us, and I want to prepare this and garnish the cocktail. So what I want to do is just take a lime wedge, run that around the rim, get a little bit of juice on there, and follow that up with a white sanding sugar. We're just going to rim that top of that. Just going to make it sparkle a little bit more. And now we pour. Well, that's it right there. That's the Heavenly Hibiscus Martini. Let's give this a taste and see how it goes. We've got orange in there. We've got that fresh, bright lime juice that goes in there. We're going to follow that up with that hibiscus tea, which is nice and floral. This one is a breath of springtime air. I think you're really going to enjoy it. Cheers, everyone. And I'd like to remind everyone, we're now offering merchandise. We have some t-shirts. You can see the link how to get your t-shirts in the description. Thanks for joining us.